Hello sir, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you this website you want to redesign on freelancer.com, and I have developed the website completely according to your requirements. I am MD Alal from Bangladesh, and this is my freelancer account. Here you can know about my qualification, skill and information. So let's start the main discussion. First, you want to redesign your organization website, and I think you provide all type of service like web design, SEO and graphics design. This is the URL of your current website, which was developed in 2003, and I checked the whole website very well. Then you want to add other service and give 30-day time, so that the website does not have any copyright increment, which means copyright free. So let's find my entry which I submit on your contest. And this is my one of the best entry, and I think my entry is the best of other freelancer, because first I develop full website with design, then I submit my entry. I hope you check the full design, and this is the home page, and then I'll show the service page, and last the Instagram and web design page. And this is the main link. That website I developed for you. So copy this link and open a new tab. Now paste and last word and E. So now enter. And this is your website, which I have made according to your requirements. I hope you will like my developed website, so you will check this website yourself. First I gave a slider, and below I gave the main service. Then I made this website like your given website, and lastly I gave testimonial cursor. Now let's take a look at the different page of this website. I have developed 4 pages of this website, that mean all service, Instagram marketing and website development page, then about us and contact page. I create this layout exactly as you wanted, and there are about more page left which I want to develop for you. So please you make me the winner on your contest. So I hope you like my website, I mean this website, a lot, because other freelancer have just show their design, but I have designed and developed it for you. So my request to you, make me the winner on your contest, so that I can completely develop this website for you. You can go to this link, know more about me. I'll show you. This is my organization website. Also, you can typing on Google search bar by BDOA Foundation, and you will get all my information and past project here. So you do not have any kind of tension for your website. I will develop a professional brand new website according to your all requirements, which will match perfectly with your organization. So please make me the winner on your contest. Bye bye.